Samuel. Welcome back to Maker Monday.
Intro to Android. Android phones come in many different varieties, brands, models, features, sizes, Android versions, etc. Due to that fact, this is not an all-inclusive lesson. If you want more information on features specific to your device, refer to your user manual included with purchase or available on the manufacturer's website. Android is an operating system designed for mobile devices that is owned by Google. Google is a tech giant. They own YouTube, Android, Gmail, etc., located in Mountain View, California. Google also develops their own hardware, such as Google Pixel, but otherwise their software exists on hardware developed by other companies. Because of this, Android can look quite different based on the device you own. Android is also known to be open source, which means that other companies are free to alter some parts of the software to their liking. Smartphones generally have a simple anatomy. A power button, which also functions as a sleep or wake-up button, will be on either side of the phone, top or back. A home button on the front and bottom, as well as back and app switcher buttons. Volume buttons will be on either the left or right side of the phone, and they're rarely on the back. Cameras will be on the front for selfies and the back of the phone. Speakers or mic will be on the bottom side. The charging sync cable will appear on the bottom as well. On Android, your charging cable will either be micro USB or USB-C. Note, if you don't have a physical home button, it may appear as a digital button as pictured above. In that picture, the home button will be the square icon in the bottom center of the screen. Making a phone call on Android is simple. Tap the phone icon. From here, you can dial a number on the keypad or dial a contact by tapping their name and selecting the call button. To add a contact, dial the number and select either plus or new. From here, you can give the contact a name, picture, and other information as you see fit. You can also make current contacts a favorite, like speed dial, by selecting new from the favorites menu and selecting the contact you want. When you tap a favorite, it instantly calls them instead of showing options like it would on the contact menu. Texting is also very simple on Android. Simply tap the green message icon. Note, this icon may look different. From here, you will want to create a conversation. A conversation is a thread of messages between you and your recipients. To create a new conversation, tap the pen, new, or plus icon. Then type the number or contact name in the To section. In the text box below, you will type your message, tap the send button to send it. If you want to be fancy and include emojis, like a smiley face for example, you can also send videos, pictures, GIFs, or animated images, and more. Play around and explore. Having a Google account will allow you to get the most out of your Android device. It helps protect your device, makes backing up and restoring data easier, and allows you to use the Play Store. The Play Store is the official avenue to downloading more apps on Android. You can set up a Google account when you first set up your phone, pictured on the left side. You can also set up an account under the Account section in your settings, pictured on the far right. You may want to store payment information during setup for purchases. Not all apps will be free on the Google Play Store, and some may have in-app purchases. In the search bar, you can click on it and enter the name of the app you want to download. For this example, I chose Printer On. Printer On is an app that allows you to print from your phone to the library printers. Click on the green Install button, and if your phone has enough space, it will automatically start downloading the app onto it. When the app is finished downloading, you'll be able to click Open. Alternatively, you can also navigate around your home screen to find the app and open it from there also. If you don't see it on your home screen, try placing your finger on the bottom of your screen and swiping it up to show all your apps on your device. You can then swipe left or right to navigate the pages while you look for Printer On. Depending on your device, you can click on Search Name from the All Apps screen. Type in the name of the app you are looking for, and if it's installed on your phone, it will find it for you. Settings and notification preferences can really change your experience using a smartphone. Most used settings can be found by swiping down from the top of the screen. This is your Quick Settings and Notifications menu, pictured right. These settings include volume, brightness, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. All other settings can be found in your Settings menu, found by clicking the gear icon at the top of your Quick Settings menu. To change settings of a specific app, including notifications, you'll have to access the Settings menu within each app by opening them individually. The Google ecosystem is a collection of services and features offered by Google. Your Google account is linked to all of their services, so when you use one service, your information is seamlessly transferred to other services. For example, your Gmail and YouTube accounts may be tied together. So when you subscribe to a channel, new video alerts may be sent to that same Gmail account. Contacts, preferences, pictures, videos, apps, and virtually everything else you put on your phone is all tied together. If you ever get a new Android phone and backed up your data, you could easily restore it to a new phone via Android with your Google account.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL CreatorSpace at www.jesspublib.org/CreatorSpace.